Hello, wherever you are, it's Urban Sketch. Just like I promised from past videos, in today's section, I will guide you through on how to model 3D objects / external libraries in archicad. But before that, please remember to subscribe and engage so others can see and learn from it as well. This also encourage more videos. Let's save it. First, head over to your browser and search Archicad Planet. If you're not advanced with PC browsing, I recommend make use of your mobile device. Hence, you can achieve same result. Let me expand this. Here's what we have from search result of Archicad Planet. You can see similar videos on it. I'll click the first one. As you can see, the 3D model, objects, and everything. You can see a gallery, news blog, design online where you can compete with your design, find fellow designers, a lot of features here. You can also show your artwork here on Archicad, so you can download free stuff here also. So there's a lot of features here. Let's stick with downloading free stuff. I'll click on this upside arrow and you see all categories of 3D objects and model. So we scroll down the list, you see different categories of 3D model objects. If you click any of it, then you filter. So if you click on it, you click filter. If you click filter, then you see 3D objects or models inside that category, so you won't be stressed looking for a pin in a haystack. So I'll click on car. Here we have cars. The categories are cars, trucks, and land transport. We have the file size. We have the uploader. We have the additional info. Then we have tags. Like if you want to download more of these similar items, you can go with tags. Click any of the list on the tags. Then if you are done with the details, you can click on download straight away. Depends on your network strength. So it's downloading. Then we scroll down and go back to the list to find more nice 3D items. All right, I'll look for light features. Click filter. Light fixtures, I will click filter, and we have sconce lamp. I'll download this one. Click on download to download. Then you can click on sconce to see the tags. You click on any of the list on tags to find the similar or related items. All right, so you can go on and download as well. Once you are through with download, make sure you have a window extractor, window zip extractor, because most of all these 3D objects are in compressed format. So for you to be able to extract it, you have to make use of window extractor, WinRAR, WINRAR. So but I'll show you how to do that. If you're making use of mobile device, you can get the same result as well. Download it, head over to your Google or Apple store, download zip archive. Download zip archiver is somehow a light green icon, or find any capable zip archiver. So once you install the application, it can be able to extract any kinds of compressed software, so you don't have to find a PC software version, so you don't have to find a window extractor. But if you are compatible, if you are advanced with PC browsing, you can go to your PC tab, search a window extractor, WinRAR, so you will download it. I'm going to show you how to download that. Then if you are not able to do any of this, then you can reach out on comment section. I'll get you. Then I'll open a new tab. Then I'm going to show you how to download that window extractor WinRAR. So there's a particular website I do use to download all my softwares. You can use your favorite source, igetintopc.com. You have to type it in full so that you'll be able to get the results. igetintopc.com. All right. You have to watch out for annoying redirected ads. There's a lot of ads here, but it will be easier on mobile device if you're not used to PC browsing, because most of this PC app browser control do block annoying ads, so sometimes it will be hard to download. Or you can refresh. Just see it right here. Can you see that? Always allow pop-up ads from this website. So you can refresh. Then click on download. It will redirect you to the next page. Then you have to wait for 10 seconds to download the software. What I'm downloading is a WinRAR window extractor. It extracts all kinds of compressed files. Any compressed files, it can extract it very well. Alright, to simplify it, here is the things you need to do. First option, you have to download from any website you are good with, like any website you are okay with, any source you have to download it, or you make use of my own, but you have to watch out for annoying ads. Or you make use of your mobile phone, it will be easier like that. You have to close the tab or press your back button, keep going back. So download the software. Here is the all the new files we downloaded. So I will extract here. Or you can extract files to any place you want it to be. I'll extract it here, except this WinRAR, because I already have it installed, so there's no need. And remember, most of the files are encrypted, so you have to make use of the password igetintopc.com in small letters, so you can be able to extract it. Once you enter the password, you are done. I already have a previous extracted files from the website, so I have to click no, yes, or no, or no to all. Simple as that. Then you close the error message and we scroll down and find it. Don't mind the time frame, it's just mixed up with old files extracted before from the same website. So here is the files we downloaded, the sculptors, all of it, the lamp street, skulls. So I already have a previous file from the same website. Then we go back to our archicad, so, or any version of card you are using. So we go back and import the file here. This is our archicad interface. What we want to do is that if you import it, it will be showing for this object, for our design object, design tools. So if you import it here, it will be showing like this, to appear like this among the list. So that's what we're about to do. I'll click on my file, click on library and object, library manager, and these are the built-in files, built-in libraries. Then I'll click on embedded library. Here's what you have to click next: add new files. Click on add new files to the selected folder. So it will open your libraries. You have to locate your downloaded object. So you have to locate it from downloads or anywhere of your default libraries, your default folder. So here is I'll click on Lamp Street. We have to import only the one with this archicad icon, this archicad logo, only it. We are going to import only the object. So we download like 3 or 4 files. So we do the same method. So remaining one item, our Audi or Ferrari. You have to find our Ferrari, whatever it is. I'm not familiar with the terms, so you have to import it. Then you have to click reload and apply. Reload and apply. So once it's reloaded, you have to click OK. Don't rush and click OK. First, after adding libraries, adding the object, you have to click reload and apply before OK. Then let's open our object. Then we scroll up, click on embedded libraries. Boom, here's the magic. This is our download library, external files. But sometimes here is the challenges. Most of the program language seems off, so we have to make use of our guts, like have to be somehow make use of your senses, make use of our guts. So but I won't rush with the settings. Let's add the files, place it here. So I'll place it here. Click on it, Ctrl A to select it, and rotate, Ctrl E. So I will stretch the height. Okay, let's see what we have on 3D. It seems like it's dark and off, so we are going to change the model. We are going to change the model so it will look exactly like what we downloaded. Ignore the reports. They are meant to serve our design test. Ignore the reports. Then let's go back to floor plan. It will be easier, or you can edit it anywhere you like. Okay, you can still modify the height and weight. So let's change the setting. This tank glass, I will adjust the value because glass is somehow related to any glass materials on the object. So that means the glass material are poor from this value is poor, so we have to increase it. So the metal is showing the metal, anything metal for the object. So we have to change the model. So know that anything metal is the frame, the anything metal from that lamp. So we have to change it to metal brass. Make sure you tick this box. So you enable the model override. Make sure you tick this box, so it will be showing. Alright. So we edit the one we understand the name. Other ones, this M-tan glass, my yellow light, maybe suggesting the color of the lamp. This glass should be glass, the frame of the glass covering the bulb. All right, so we have to walk blind and see what we have on 3D. So this SC yellow, maybe showing the light, the color of the lamp. The light it will be showing is yellow light. So you can still adjust it to any color of the light, but that yellow light is good. All right, we click OK. Let's see what we have. Seems like we made it cool. All right, you can adjust the bulb, the glass bulb. To somehow glass satin. It's okay. You can go ahead and adjust, edit more. Don't mess with those stuff. That's not where you get the height. It's cool. You can change the line, symbol line, cut line, pen, cut fill. You can change it to black, so you can adjust it to your taste. All right, let's add more objects we downloaded. All right, let's add this Audi. Oops. Let's place it first and see what we have, so we can know how to adjust the model. Anyhow you place it, it will still misbehave, so you have to place it and adjust the size and the way it looks, the way it appears. So you have to place it, click on the node. All right, see what we have. Seems like it's cool, but we have to work more on the height and size of the car. So that's how we'll be adjusting any 3D object you import. So I'll show you how to work on this one too. You can adjust the object height from here, or you click view it from the setting. We put the object height 3000. Let's see how it looks. Okay, let's go back and stretch the length. So another thing you have to look for is while you are doing this, make sure your PC, your device RAM are okay, are compatible with most of the things you are doing. Make sure your device RAM, your graphics card are strong enough to avoid lagging. So let's try and add more adjust settings, so you can be able to see what we are doing and understand the full picture of what we are doing here. I'll click on mirror. Anything mirror, you understand anything mirror related to the object. So we are changing it to glass mirror, or you can import more object colors if you feel like this one here are limited. So I already made video on how to import colors here, external colors or hidden colors. I already did video on that, so you can go to your options, work environment, and apply profile, visualization profile. You add more colors to this project. So here is the details we have. You have the tire, the color of the tire. You can increase the value to get something more. Okay, but make sure you enable those box. Any box you expand, make sure you tick the box so that you enable the effect. It shows that you want to apply the effect, like you have activated the effect you want to enable on that particular side of the model. All right. Seems like we messed up badly. I will adjust more. Go back to the setting and we missed something. So I will click on it again, highlight it, then click on the object. Let's see what we missed. All right. Don't edit much. If you get what you want, you just have to leave others. Don't tick the whole box. So it seems like we missed this car paint. Paint glossy white. So you see I tick the box so that it will apply effect, activate the effect. Let's go back and see what we have. You can change the tire, the wheels, the rims, and all this stuff. So you can go ahead and adjust it. Remember to tick the box in whatever area you are editing. Make sure you tick the box. So I will add another object. These sculptures will be good. Let's add it. Alright, see what we have on the dragon sculptures. So I will increase the object height to any figures you desire. So I will increase it to 3000. Okay, that's cool. I will increase it a bit. Let's do 4000. That's okay. Then we change the model. Remember to highlight so you can select it. It seems like we don't have much to edit here. Still, we change the steel color to metal gold. Make sure you check the box. You activate the box so you can activate the model you set for that place. Ceramic, you can change it to metal gold. Audio structure will be metal gold. Let's see what we have. That is very simple. If you have time for it, you can draw it here on archicad with complex profile document tools. You can draw it. If you have the time and energy, you can still draw it. Also, remember to subscribe and engage so for more videos and content like this. All right, I believe that's all. If you have a request or a video request or for more clarification, drop a comment below this video, then I will reach out to you. Thanks for watching.